Hey guys, how's it going? Jarrod here. So I've been painting for a little while and I wanted to take a more realistic approach to painting the ocean, and I'd come unstuck a few times in trying to do that, and I realised pretty quickly that I probably needed to upskill. I've been an admirer of Scott's work for quite some time, and I was pretty thrilled actually when I heard he was bringing a course out specifically tailored around how to paint the ocean, and it took a little while, but honestly it was worth the wait. The course is very comprehensive. There's a ton of content in there, and I still refer back to it. Even though I've finished the course, I still refer back to it, and you sort of see things with new eyes as you progress in your work, and so I'm still taking away things out of that course, perhaps that I didn't fully absorb earlier on. And I'm to the point now where I've progressed quite a lot in my work, and in tackling a subject matter that we as artists perhaps find a little bit challenging, because there's so many elements there that we need to consider when we talk about painting the ocean. So, but with Scott's course, he breaks it down into manageable steps, and we use a blending and layering technique to build these paintings up slowly, and so we can achieve clean and realistic looking seascapes. And so I guess, if you're like me and you're wanting to upskill and you want to learn how to tackle a subject like the ocean, then you probably couldn't do better than with Scott's course, which is fantastic. And so good luck and happy painting.